Once upon a time, Peppa Pig woke up to the sound of raindrops tapping on her window. She looked outside and saw the whole world covered in shiny puddles. Peppa loved rainy days because she could jump in muddy puddles with her yellow boots. But this day was different, it was magical. When she stepped outside, she noticed that every puddle reflected not just the sky, but also little sparkling lights dancing inside them. Wow, these puddles are full of stars! Peppa shouted with joy. George ran after her, laughing and splashing around. As they explored, the puddles formed a glowing path that led them into the garden. There, Peppa and George discovered a rainbow-colored umbrella leaning against a tree. When they opened it, the umbrella lifted them gently into the air, carrying them above the town. From the sky, they saw everyone enjoying the magical rain, Mummy Pig sipping tea under a glowing shower, Daddy Pig laughing as raindrops tickled his nose. Finally, the umbrella brought them back home, safe and dry, but with hearts full of wonder. That night, Peppa whispered, "Rainy days can be the most magical days of all."